Hey everybody, welcome back to the Lux Biz channel. I'm Tatiana, and in today's video I'm going to share with you about affiliate marketing. And this has been requested by one person. Like on every video I see the comment about please make an affiliate marketing video. But really it's not that complex. Like you could pretty much sum it up with a Google search of what is affiliate marketing because there's not that much to it. But I'm going to give you the rundown. So basically what it is say I'm an influencer and I'm on YouTube and I'm on Lux Biz channel, and a company that sells hairbrushes contacts me and they say, hey Tatiana, we would love for you to feature this product on your channel and we will give you a 10% commission from any sales that you generate through your channel. And so what that means is, I might talk about it in my video, I might show it, do a review about it, and then I'll have a special link down below. And the company provides this link for me. And when the customer, say you as a viewer, say you click on that link now and you go to the hairbrushes website, you're not gonna notice anything different. It looks like a regular website. But if you buy that hairbrush, it's gonna be tracked back to me. And I'm gonna get a 10% commission. It's not gonna cost the customer anything. It's not gonna cost me anything. It's just that the company is now gonna pay me a 10% commission. So why would a company do that? How are they making the money? Well, basically, it's a sale that they wouldn't have otherwise had. So, you not creating a video at all means that they're not gonna generate any sales from a non-existent video. But by having this video out and you talking about the brush, it's just an extra sale that they wouldn't have already had. So there's a lot of incentive for companies to do it. And for you as an affiliate marketer, it's a great option because, like I said, it costs you nothing. There's no investment. You're not buying inventory. And there's very minimal work involved. So, you don't have to do much. You can basically just, make a Facebook post. Say you have 500 friends on Facebook. You make a Facebook post, say, hey, guess what? I just received this hairbrush. It's amazing. I tried it on my daughter the other day and she for once did not cry while I brushed her hair. If you guys have the same issues with me with your kids, check it out, and then you insert the link and you can tell them whether or not it's affiliate link. It doesn't really matter. I think on YouTube you do have to make sure that you tell people that it is an affiliate link. I'm not too sure. But then if a friend or family clicks on it and they buy it, you earn a commission. So it's super easy to do and it can scale. It can really scale. So there's people who are making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month using affiliate marketing. I love it because, like I said, there's very little work involved. And of course, we all want to have businesses that have minimal effort required. And I feel like affiliate marketing is just one of those. And, a good way to get started is, if you're already an influencer, you're ahead of the game. So if you already have a social media following, say you have 100,000 followers on Instagram, that's awesome. You should definitely be doing affiliate marketing. And in some ways, influencers technically already do affiliate marketing. They just don't know it. So, influencers a lot of times, the ones who don't actually know much about business, they just kind of want to build their social media following. They basically wait for companies to approach them. They wait for companies to say, hey, we love your Instagram page. We'd love for you to feature this curling iron. We'll give you the product for free. And then could you please post about it? And so these influencers, they will happily take free products, but they don't realize that them posting about it is worth more than just a free product. They could ask the company, say, hey, I would love to share the product. Do you also have an affiliate program? Now, some companies will straight up tell them, hey, we have an affiliate program, please join. Other companies might just not tell them. They might just say, maybe they'll just take the product and that's it. So if they join an affiliate program, that means that, they make the post one time, they get the product for free, maybe they get paid $100. But then if somebody else buys the product, they still make that 10, 15, 20% commission, which is awesome. And also, the post will be on Instagram for a lifetime. So if someone wants to scroll through their Instagram and they saw that one photo and they said, I love the way her hair looked, I wonder what she was using. She might have posted that 6 months, 3 years ago, but she's still gonna make a commission on it, which is pretty awesome. Now, if you're not a social media influencer, you can still leverage affiliate marketing very easily. And the best way to do that, I think, is just by building your own site. Now, you could build a WordPress site or you could build a Shopify store. If you want to build, there's a couple ways to do this. So say, for example, you decide, I wanna build a review site. Now, I love review sites because people go to them because they can definitely find really valuable in-depth reviews about products that they're thinking about purchasing. And so they have a lot of credibility because people trust the website. They say, well, this person obviously knows the product. They're giving an honest feedback about it. But while you're creating this awesome blog post with a great review, you can also include an affiliate link. So if I'm doing a review about this comb versus a very long comb versus a round brush, whatever, different brushes, then, I can talk about them and give my honest review, but I can also make sure that when I have a photo, it can be linked to the person's website, and that link is an affiliate link. So review sites are great to get started. You could also build a Shopify store and just have like a bunch of products on there. Like I said, they don't have to be your products. You can have products of other people and just like direct them to that person's website. So yeah, I think the best way to get started is just by adding value. So whenever you add value, it doesn't matter what you do, you're gonna find a return on that. So a review site is a great place to start if you want to do affiliate marketing, because you're just adding tremendous value to the viewers, and they're really going to be locked into what you have to say. They're going to trust your opinion, and then there's just a lot of potential to obviously link to different products. Now, how do you find products to become affiliated with? Like I said, you don't wait for companies to come to you. You have to seek them out. So the best way to do that is to actually go to the company's website directly. So say for example, again, silly comb. If I go to, this comb was actually $10, which is kind of ridiculous at Urban Outfitters. So if I go to the website for Urban Outfitters and I say, I love this comb and I love everything on that website, I want to become an affiliate. So usually if you scroll down, you'll find a link at the very bottom of the website that says affiliate. You click on that and it's basically a registration page, and they can set you up to become an affiliate. Now, not every business will offer this, so you do have to kind of find the ones that do. But say, I liked this product and I wanted to become an affiliate, but Urban Outfitters doesn't have an affiliate program. Maybe I can find the same comb on a different website that does. So don't limit yourself. Don't just give up because the first company you thought of doesn't have an affiliate program. There's 1,000 different combs that look like this. I'm sure I could find one that has an affiliate program. And in the end, if you don't find an affiliate program for the specific product, for example, there's this juicer that I wanted to become an affiliate for, because you guys know I did a juice cleanse, 15-day juice cleanse, and I had a juicer, and it's an amazing juicer, and I wrote a blog post about it. And so I was like, if I'm gonna write a blog post, I might as well have affiliate links in there. Why not? People are gonna go and try and buy the product anyways. Why not generate a commission from it at no cost to the customer? It just makes sense. But the juicer didn't have an affiliate program, and it was a very specific juicer, and I really wanted to promote that juicer because it's the one that I had. So what I did instead is I searched for it on Amazon.com. Amazon's awesome. Amazon's got millions of products, so you're more likely to find that product there. And the cool thing is Amazon has something called Amazon Associates. So Amazon Associates is their affiliate system, and it's amazing because what it does is when you sign up, you basically can promote every single product they have on Amazon, and you will earn a commission for it. Now, Amazon pays you this commission, not the companies that are selling the products themselves. So maybe the Vitamix didn't, have an affiliate program. Maybe they listed their product on Amazon and they're not offering an affiliate program, but Amazon still has their Amazon Associates affiliate program, and they're more than happy to pay you a commission if you send someone to their website. So Amazon loves to have new visitors to their website, and so that's why they pay you the commission out of their pockets. And it's awesome because affiliate commissions from Amazon range from 7% and they go all the way up. And it's not just for the one product. So if you link them to this comb on Amazon, if they buy this comb, but they buy like 10 other hair products, you're gonna get 7% of the total order, which is really awesome. And that's actually usually how it works for any affiliate program. It's not just for one product, it's usually for the total order of the product. And Amazon will put a 30-day cookie on the person's computer, which is also, again, very consistent with most affiliate programs. So say, for example, they go to the website, they're like, oh, this juicer is really awesome, but it's kind of expensive. I should talk about it with my family, see if we can afford it right now. And say 3 days later, they decide to buy it, but they don't click on your affiliate link anymore. They go directly to the Amazon website because they know that's where it is. you're still gonna get commission for it because Amazon already placed a cookie on their web browser. So as long as they didn't clear their cookies, you're good to go with that affiliate commission. Super cool. I personally have an affiliate program as well for my products, and people who, who buy my products, they're already recommending their products to their friends and family because, we're wearing, I don't think you can see it, but we're wearing our waist trainers, and usually, at work or people that we hang out with, they like, what is that? What is that thing that you wear all the time? And you tell them about it, and you tell them, this is the website. And so instead of just telling them, why not give them your affiliate link and then you can earn a commission? So that's what we do for our affiliates. They earn, I think, a 10% minimum commission from the referral. And yeah, it makes everybody happy. It's a win-win for everyone. And last but not least, I want to mention that you can promote physical products to become an affiliate for physical products, but you can also become an affiliate for digital products. And the commission that you earn for digital products is far superior to the commission that you'll earn for physical products. There's obvious reasons for that. It's because physical products cost more, cost money to manufacture, cost money to market, cost money to ship, all of that stuff. So they have a certain percent profit margin, and they can only give you so much of that profit margin before they don't earn anything at all. But with digital products, the profits are almost 100%. You create a digital product, you spend maybe a month to create a course, and then it costs you only money in marketing and maybe a platform that you're hosting the digital product on, but it's pretty much all profits. Digital products make huge earnings, so they're able to give their affiliates more money. The average physical product commission is around 10%, even 7%. It's kind of hard to find some. I'd say between 7% to 15% is the average commission for a physical product. For a digital product, it's very common to find your commissions to be at 50%, which is amazing. So imagine selling, having a product that's $100 on your website, you earn $50 when that person buys the one product. Or say you have a product that is worth $4,000, a course that you're recommending, a really high-end course, and just getting one sale will earn you $2,000 in commissions. And that's $2,000 that you didn't create the course, you didn't put all the effort and the knowledge and all that in the work. It's $2,000 profit to your pocket, which is amazing. And the final thing I want to mention is that you do not need to have any special skills or talent or brain to do affiliate marketing. It really is not complex. It's very simple, just like most of the digital business these days. You don't need a business background or business degree to know how to do this. So it is available for everyone. It's at everybody's skill potential. You don't need special skills, basically. So yeah, so just, learn to get good at blogging perhaps, or, build a social media or whatever it might be. But there's so many different ways that you can start, but just know that it is a super profitable business idea and it takes very low investment. And I highly recommend getting started with this. And if you are a mom and you're a stay-at-home mom and you're just looking to make a little extra money on the side, again, this is a great option because a lot of moms already have mommy blogs. You guys are already making content, you're already sharing it, and you're really not making any money from it. You're just adding value to people. Well, now you can go back on all your old blog posts and every product that you recommended, make it an affiliated product and earn commission from it in all future blog posts as well. So you can take action with that right away. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If you have any questions about affiliate marketing, I do want to mention, if you guys want to go more in depth with this, if you guys want to really scale this, take a course. And the course that I recommend is by my boyfriend, Stephen James. Not just recommending it because he's my boyfriend. You guys know I don't care to do that. I could do it more often, but I don't. I'm recommending it because it's a really freaking awesome course. So I was there while he created it. I was listening to everything forever, but I listened to it all, and it's a really, really amazing course. It goes in depth about affiliate marketing, and I highly recommend taking it. It's really inexpensive. So if you're planning on actually making this a business and not just a hobby, take the course. It's well worth the money, the little money that it is. So I'm gonna put a link down below to the course, and that's an affiliate link. If you do decide to purchase the course, I think it's an affiliate link. Yeah, so if it's an affiliate link, I'll earn a commission for that. and then, you know, you're happy you got the course, I'm happy I got a commission, it works out. So that's how affiliate marketing works. But always do it with integrity, guys. You know, like I said, I don't promote things that I don't believe in. I don't just say that, oh, this is an amazing product, or oh, this is an amazing course. No, I only promote things that I love, the things that I've used, things that I trust, because that's how you're going to earn the trust of your followers. If you're just promoting, you know, thing here and there and there, and every day it's something new, people are going to see through that, and they're going to see how you're just not being transparent, you're not being honest, and nobody likes that. Nobody wants to be a scammer. So don't be a scammer. Okay, that's all, guys. Have an amazing and blessed day. Take care.